we have made a small survey and also had a Zoom meeting with our students. It is quite effective till now, and because most of the chapters have been covered, approximately you can say as of now, 82 videos have been uploaded. And of course, I have sent the links to all the principals. I don't know how many of them are using it. If it is really used, they can definitely use it actually. And also, it's my request is, I want in any other videos uploaded in YouTube, please connect with us, or can they send message to all the principals so that we need not repeat certain chapters in our college. So that is one thing, but the effectiveness, students are very happy with the kind of videos which are uploaded by various colleges, of course. But
So what
today,
percentage of students? That's
sir, maybe more than efforts, say 60 to 70% of the students are happy, sir.
no, that's what I'm trying to. I'm only trying to address the other 30-40%.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
that I can understand,
Yeah.
because there are some issues, as you said, rural area. That's always there. But that is my opinion. Today, uh, I just tried to do one small research also to find out where all the videos are available. And JD has sent one mail on the other day regarding the video lectures. But actually, this video lectures which are available in their website, but not many videos are available there. I went through in that website. That is Gnanan. Only few topics are covered in Gnananidhi. And also, I tried to contact some of the universities today in the morning. I spoke to some of the people whom I know in Davangere University, Gulbarga University, Mangalore University, and tried to find out how exactly it is happening in those universities also. There also, they are not doing it in YouTube. They are trying to send the materials through WhatsApp and through mails and all those things. So I think I have also sent the that is the kind of one survey I did today in the morning. And even other colleges, please share your links to the principal's WhatsApp group so that we can have a consolidated material from various colleges and various universities, so that that can be shared among all the colleges. That's how we can help each other and help students in that regard. And
Dr.
one
Anil
more
Kumar,
thing.
these videos were prepared by your institution, or you collected from various sources?
And by our own faculty, 82
Okay.
videos.
It
But
was video recorded lectures.
Recorded, that means PPTs, and the audio also is there, and explanation for all the points which are there in the PPT.
So if I'm right, what they do is, I can intervene. See, they prepare a video along with the PPT, and they'll go on explaining the, that screen.
Concepts,
Yeah,
whatever.
explain
Okay.
the screen there,
Is it
and then the
is it
students are likely
mostly
to very slowly they explain.
mostly related to Dr. Anil Kumar? This is mostly
Yes, sir.
related to management studies.
Sir, it
No,
will
no,
be
for all
about the
subjects, for
management.
all subjects.
It is
Okay.
related to BCom subjects,
Yeah,
BBA, BCA, languages, including Hindi, Kannada, Sanskrit, also, and MCom few subjects are also included in this.
Of course, BSc.
No, only my worry was only about the practical subject, Anil Kumar.
Yeah,
Anil
it's
Kumar, practical subjects. That's the
practical
difficulty.
accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, saha madidare. They have also covered those subjects also, but still it's going on. It's not over actually. We are expecting more number of PPTs in future also. So I tried contacting some of the universities. I said in Mangalore University, one of the professor has done in mathematics. I have taken the link from those people today morning.
Very good.
I will upload it to the group, and some of the links I have received from other universities, professors in particular, not from the college, professors on a different subjects. I will upload. I will send through the email the WhatsApp group which we have. I'm trying to collect as many videos as possible, even from others, so that it can be consolidated and it can be used by all the colleges and all the students.
Thank you, Professor. I am also told that the Directorate of Collegiate Education has been sending the material. I don't know what is the nature of those materials.
Yes, sir. There is one. I have collected that information also. There is one video lectures 4 years back. PG student faculty members have done video lectures, but that is not available online. It is a recorded one, but the CDs are available in higher education department. But we have to go there and download all those things. But fortunately, I have that copy, but it is at present in the college. In case it is possible to go to college and see how I have to segregate again. Segregate the subjects and all those things. A lot of work is there. If it is possible, we can do that, and we can upload it here or send it to you. That is as far as the online thing is concerned.
Thank you, Professor.
And one thing, sir, one more thing.
Dr. Anil Kumar, you are doing a great job. You are.
Sir, regarding yes, sir.
Thank you.
Regarding
you are doing a great job. Thank you so much.
Report is concerned. One more point. Report is concerned. We have to collect information, status report from all colleges, sir.
Yeah, we have already sent a circular.
That we already given. No, already we are given.
Yeah,
yes,
we already given the status report.
We have sent a circular. They are supposed to send it by today, latest by day after tomorrow. Okay. We have also sent them a format in which they are supposed to submit the data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So good afternoon, Dr. Vinay Ranganathan, sir.
Okay, Dr. Vinay.